is chafu. To them I say, we salute you. To the few who are breaking the law, I want to remind them, it may take months, it may take years, but you will individually pay for the crimes you commit today. Today, I ask my lawyers, and I hope they have done so before the end of the day, to write a demand letter to IG Kome, because it is under his command, that yesterday we were assaulted with tear gas and our leader with live bullets. And I want you to understand, we had spent more than 2 joyous hours going through Imaradaima and Mukuru kwa Jenga to jubilant crowds who were escorting us very happily. At the end, when we were just about to go into outering, we found them laying ambush for us. When they threw the first tear gas, wananchi took cover because they cannot stand the tear gas. They continued shelling our cars with tear gas and live bullets. Before I lost count, I had counted more than 20 tear gas canisters lobbed at our cars. And because Jacom's car was in front, it was getting the brunt of it, tear gas and bullets. And I now know why they were throwing so much tear gas. They wanted a cloud to cover the direct attempt on him. If it was not an assassination attempt, tell me why you were shooting at his windscreen at the side where he is seated at close range. We are saying you can plan all the evil you want. Life is in the hands of God. That is why you were not able to get him or any of us yesterday. And you are not going to get any of us. You will try, but you will not succeed.